With Memorial Day right around the corner, many of us are starting to think about what we can serve when the family comes over. If you're like me, you want something that you can make ahead, something that'll feed a crowd, and of course, something that's really tasty. How about fried chicken that's so crispy, your relative sitting across from you can hear the crunch? We start by bathing some cut up bone-in chicken in a mixture of milk mixed with a beaten egg. From there, we dip the chicken into some seasoned flour, and once it's coated, gently shake off the excess flour. Before we add our chicken to the hot oil, we want to make sure the temperature is 350 degrees. This way, it'll cook evenly inside and out. After it's cooked, we let it drain for a second on a wire rack, and it's ready to dig into. You can also make this a day or so ahead and serve it chilled, or simply heat it up in a warm oven right before serving it. Talk about a main dish that will be welcomed with open arms. Of course, you'll want to team this with your typical go-alongs. To get your hands on the recipe for our extra crispy fried chicken, head over to our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found a crispy, crunchy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Well,
That's good.